Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the constant need to keep your social media active? Imagine if you could automate your tweets, freeing up your time and energy. Today, I'll show you how to effortlessly automate your tweets using AI with just one very powerful tool, and all in under 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete system to automate your tweets, allowing you to focus on other tasks to increase your online presence. With that said, let's get started. Now let's jump into the demonstration. We'll create a custom form where users can input a link to an article, and an AI agent will then read this article and automatically generate a tweet. This tweet will then be posted directly to your Twitter account. I'll guide you through creating this AI agent and AI form, which will handle the entire process for you. Before we get started, let's quickly cover what you'll need. First, ensure you have a Twitter developer account. Second, you'll need Taskade, which will act as our central hub for automation. If you're not familiar with it, Taskade is a versatile productivity platform that combines task management and project planning with AI and automation into one seamless experience. With its powerful AI capabilities, Taskade allows users to automate workflows, generate content, and enhance productivity through intelligent task automation. I'll leave 2 links in the description below with more information on getting a free Twitter developer account and another where you can sign up and download Taskade. Once you have this set up, you're ready to roll. First, let's set up the AI agent in Taskade. Navigate to the AI agent sections in any of your folders and click on Create Agent. I usually like to use the option of Generate with AI to generate any new agent in Taskade. Here, you can just describe or tell Taskade exactly what you want your agent to do, and then click Submit, and Taskade will create an AI agent for you. Of course, you can later customize your AI agent, and in our case, we just need to make sure that in Tools we have Web Search and Site Reader enabled. This will allow our AI agent to search the web and scrape the news article that we provide. And we also want to make sure that we only have one command, and that is to create an X post. So here I just told the AI agent to scrape this article and craft an enticing post for X based on the article's content. So this is the command that we will be using in our automation inside or within our AI agent. So once we have that configured, our AI agent is ready and we can proceed to create our automation. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on automation and productivity. Now let's jump into Taskade and learn how to create this automation. Next, let's create our automation by heading into the Automations tab here within our testing folder and clicking on Add Automation. Here, I can also use the option of Generate with AI, but let's do this one from scratch. Our first thing that we want to add is a form, and I see here under the General subsection, I see Form Trigger. This is what we want to select. We can give our form any title, such as X Post Creator. We can skip the description. Here on the Submit button, we'll just leave it as at a run, and we only want one field for our form, and this is going to be the article URL. And we're going to make this a required field for our form to run successfully. So if you want to see what the form looks like so far, let's click on Save Changes. Click here, Share on the top left, and you'll see here now that we see our title, our article URL field, and then a space for us to paste any news article here. Okay, so that is our form. That is complete. Next, what do we want to do? Once we provide a news article, then we want to run an agent command. So if you recall, we created a command for our AI agent that was called Create X Post. So our agent is the Twitter social media expert, and we only have one command under our agent, which is to create an X post, and the input for this command is going to be the article URL. Because if we recall, let me save my changes. Let me back out of here. Let's go back to the AI agent. Let's click on Edit. If we recall, the command for our agent is to scrape the article and create one X post based on the article. So we're already telling it to read the article and create a Twitter post about it. So literally the only thing I need to give to the AI agent in this command is the article URL, which will come from our form. And then the last step for it will be to post on X. So I'm going to click on create post. Obviously here you'll need to connect your Twitter account, which based on the article below, you can see how to create a Twitter developer account and connect it to Taskade. So here I already connected my account. The action is going to be to create a post, and the post is going to be the result of our AI agent command. So here I can see AI agent command result. I can select that as the text of the Twitter post. Click save changes, click on enable, and that's it. Literally, we just created an automation to automatically scrape and summarize a news article, create a Twitter post about it, and post it on our Twitter account. So if I go here onto share and click publish, you don't have to, you can run it from the other screen, but if you want to publish it to a website or you want to share the link with somebody, you can do so here. So for example, I obtained this shareable link. I'm going to click view on site and let's test it. So let me find an article. Actually, I'll find another one. We've already used this one. So let's see if we can scrape this one. Let's go back into Taskade. Let's paste our article. Let's click run. We're going to let Taskade do its thing. Perfect. And once it's done, then we can see the text here, post ID, and the post link. So if I want to look at it on Twitter, this is what the bot created. So one other thing that I want to mention is you don't necessarily need to use a form for this. So in this case, we are requiring a URL for automation to run and post to Twitter automatically, but you don't necessarily need to start from a form. So for example, let's say that you have a website or a blog that has an RSS feed, so you can retrieve the article automatically. So every time you post a new article to your blog, then this automation can go and fetch that article, scrape it, create a tweet about it, and post it on Twitter, right? Or in my case, what I'm going to do later on is you can also look at YouTube or a specific YouTube channel. So let's say here that I want to start or look at my YouTube channel so that every time I post a video, then I will run an agent command to transcribe this video, summarize it, or create an engaging tweet about it and automatically post it on Twitter, right? So you don't necessarily need to have manual intervention for this to work. You can use other triggers in the automation, which I find very useful and very cool. So there you have it. We walked through the setup process from configuring your AI agent to connecting with Twitter, and this automation will save you time and help you maintain a consistent online presence. So try out this automation process for yourself and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity using AI.